The EURUSD is reversing right from a 2021 trend line that we've talked about for weeks on this channel and website. But is this going to be a swing high? Is this a short setup? I'm going to give you guys a key level to watch here over the coming days that could open up downside targets. And we're also going to take a look at the DXY, which is bouncing from a 2024 channel that we've also talked about for the past couple of weeks. Now, if you guys do want my help with your trading, but you don't want to pay, this is a limited time offer. But if you click on the link at the top of this video, it's going to take you to a sign up page for Prime XBT, where you can trade Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices. And for a limited time, when you deposit $500 or more, you're going to get lifetime access to the trading course and real-time community. So that includes a course on how to trade failed breakouts, which honestly is the highest probability setup that I've ever come across in over 20 years of trading. And you're also going to get access, lifetime access, to our real-time trading group, where we talk about all of this stuff every single day. We talk about it in real time. And I also share daily videos in there, exclusive setups, and you'll see my trades in real time. So once again, if you're on YouTube, click on the link in the description of this video to sign up with Prime XBT. And you're also going to get a 20% deposit bonus when you use that link. And as long as you deposit $500 or more, you're going to get lifetime access to that course and our trading group. Okay, so looking at the EURUSD here, we have the market coming off of this trend line up here. So we've talked about this for the past couple of weeks. And you can see where the market did come into this exactly today following that CPI print on Wednesday. So obviously we've seen risk markets move a little bit higher following a slightly cooler CPI print, although, really on the whole, it was still very sticky inflation here in the US. But markets are still enjoying that, at least risk markets, and the dollar did pull back. But we saw the EURUSD come right into this trend line that we've talked about. And I have not touched this trend line over the past few weeks. So this is the exact same level. And you can see where the euro came right into that and reversed. But here's the thing though. If this is going to be a swing high, very similar to what we got back here, okay, you need confirmation. And if you'll notice back here, the confirmation of this being a swing high wasn't necessarily this retest. Okay, because as of, this candle, this was just a retest very similar to this being a retest today. The confirmation here came when the market formed this swing low here via these daily closing prices, and we got the close below and the retest as new resistance. Okay, so this right here was the confirmation that we were going to get a move lower, and of course we did get that pullback. So if the EURUSD is going to top out here and form a swing high very similar to what we got back here, then we need something similar from this market. And at the moment, that is going to be 1.086. So this is the key pivot here for the euro, where you can see so far the market is holding above this. Now, to be conservative, okay, 1.0865 is the level I've mentioned. But to be conservative, you're looking for 1.086. And specifically, you want to see this fail on the daily time frame. Okay, you need a daily close down here, followed by a retest in order to confirm that this is a swing high. Because until that time, this is simply a retest of a long-running trend line, okay, nothing more. But you need that sustained break below 1.086 in order to set this up for a move down here toward 1.08. Of course, alternatively, if we got this market breaking above here, okay, closing a day above here over the coming days, then that would expose pivots like this one back here around 1.0925. And of course, this high back here. So that would be potentially bullish for this market as long as it could hold above this level. Okay, so it's unclear as of now if this is going to turn into a swing high for the euro. We really need to see it, break below levels like this over here around 1.086 to confirm that this up here is at least a short-term top. Okay, now when we look at the DXY, the US dollar index, we see something very similar here with the market coming off of this channel support that we've also talked about. So if you've seen recent videos, I've mentioned the 104 area at length, and this down here is the channel support that the DXY has been moving in all year long. Okay, so I wasn't looking for a long back here simply because what I said is, if you watch the videos when the market was trading here, I said that we needed a daily close above 105.6 in order to expose higher levels, which we clearly never got. So that meant that 105.6 was intact as resistance this entire time all through here. So there was no buy. And I didn't want to buy at 105 because once the market returned to this level, what I was telling people in VIP was that we were likely to see a move down here toward 104. Okay, so this right here is what I've been waiting for. Now, the key for the DXY, very similar to the euro, is yes, you could try to buy the dollar down here. However, even though that is the best or most favorable risk reward. It's not necessarily the high conviction play. And for the high conviction play, we need to see the DXY reclaim levels like this back here, this low right here, and specifically 104.5. So this area through here, we need to see it reclaim this and reclaim this low back here on the daily chart in order to open up levels like 105 and potentially back toward 105.6. Okay, so there are varying levels of bullish and bearish. It's never just a black and white thing. And so right now, if you are cautiously bullish on this market because of this retest, then a reclaim up here above 104.5 would turn you a little bit more bullish, and a reclaim up here at 105 would turn you even more bullish, for that push higher, right? So it's varying levels of bullish and bearish. And the same thing applies for the EURUSD. Even if you are slightly bearish based on this retest up here, you can't get aggressively bearish on the euro until we see 1.086 taken out on the daily time frame. Okay, so obviously all of that is my opinion. It's also my style of trading. You might have different opinions on this, and that's okay. But that's how I'm approaching this market right now. I do think we have the potential for a move higher here for the dollar, as long as it holds above this area down here at 104, because what we've seen so far in 2024 is the market just doing this, right? So with it sitting down here at support, there is that potential for us to get that next leg higher. Now, again, the key though is 104.5 and 105. We need to see reclaims on the daily chart above both of these levels. Now, if it can't do that and it holds, below here and consolidates and breaks below channel support down here, then that of course would be bearish toward levels like 103.6 and 103. Okay, so still unclear here for the DXY and really for the euro as well. The potential is there, but we do need to see more from, in this case, sellers to confirm that this up here is a swing high. Until that time, this is just a range-bound market between levels like 1.09, resistance up here, and 1.086. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon. Don't forget to, guys, join Prime XBT, deposit $500 or more for lifetime access to the VIP course and community. See the link in the description here on YouTube, or if you're on the website, click on the link just below this video. Trade well out there, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.